are at Hyderabad Jewellery Fair 2026 and it's day 2. And here we have with us Mr. Raj Shah of Siyonaa, who's the Assistant Director of the company. Glad to meet you, sir. How are you doing?
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon. We are fine, and this is the first time we are showcasing our products at the Hyderabad show. We have a very great response till now. So let's hope the second and the third day goes well.
Okay. So, what's your specialization in jewelry manufacturing? What sort of jewelry do you manufacture?
So basically, we have two types of jewelry: 925 sterling silver jewelry and fashion jewelry.
So, where do you have your manufacturing unit? Can you
So
tell something about that?
sure, we run a manufacturing unit in China, and we supply to the global players through China, and also we sell through a brand name in India called Siyonaa.
Mhm. So you're also into export, you are saying.
Sure.
So can you
Yes.
name some countries where you are focusing your exports?
So basically, we export to Brazil, USA, UK, Gulf, and the Indonesian market.
Okay. How do you see the future of the silver jewelry?
So basically, due to the metal rises like gold and platinum, there is an instant demand in the silver jewelry market.
Mm.
Basically, now people are shifting to fast fashion. So fast fashion silver jewelry, minimum jewelry is more like to be preferred by the customers.
Mhm. So what's the latest trend in the silver jewelry, or what is the preference that the young generation is going for?
So basically, the Gen Zs and the young generation are going after lightweight jewelry,
Mm.
not those heavy ones or the Indianized design. The
Mhm.
Western designs, minimal look, small designs,
Mhm.
daily wear items. These types of jewelry are currently trending.
Mhm. Any expansion plan that you have in the upcoming future? Can you tell something about that?
Yes, so we have an expansion plan. Actually, we make to order gold for the customers if they demand, and we are planning to expand our business in
Mm.
9 carat, 14 and 18 carat gold jewelry with lab grown diamonds.
Oh, that's wonderful, sir. How do you see the Indian market growing?
So there is a massive boom in the Indian market right now. People are demanding super light and daily wear jewelry, and it's like a fast fashion thing. Nobody likes to wear that heavy pieces.
Mm.
Mostly these are for the locker types, and
Mm.
everyone wants fast fashion, new designs every day. So these types of lightweight and minimum jewelry will be trending in the future.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much. Thank
Thank
you
you,
for
ma'am.
your time and best wishes for the
Thank you
business.
so much.